Hi, I'm Patrick Minato, and I am a cooking school chef. It's Napa Nights, so it's about my interpretation of Napa Valley recipes from all my visits for the last 15 years out to Napa and Sonoma. A lot of times when you get these kind of yogurt dishes with roasted vegetables, there's a Middle Eastern spice mix called za'atar. So it's sumac and a couple other different things in there, but it's all the rage now. Precise measurements, as you see. Tiny bit of salt in here because the blue cheese is going to be salty, but always a little salt in any savory dish. So what everyone think of the carrot?
Oh,
delicious.
Yeah.
That was all right.
That was fantastic.
And you know what? If you didn't like it, it was free.
It was